Cursor versus Windsurf, two of the most talked about AI code editors in 2025, but which one truly deserves a spot in your development toolkit? In this quick comparison, we'll break down features, performance, integrations, and pricing, and by the end, you will know exactly which tool fits you best. And for now, let's dive in. Overview and core philosophy. Let's start with the basics. Cursor is built on top of VS Code, but supercharged with AI. It feels familiar yet smarter, giving you instant autocomplete, doc lookup, and bug fixing right in your workflow. Windsurf, on the other hand, is a lightweight, cloud-first AI editor built from the ground up. It's not just VS Code with plugins. It reimagines the coding experience around AI pair programming with real-time contextual awareness. So while Cursor feels like a turbocharged VS Code, Windsurf feels like a futuristic all-in-one AI IDE. AI capabilities. Cursor's strength is speed and reliability. It integrates tightly with GPT-4 and Cloudy, offering inline explanations, test generation, and AI-driven refactoring. Its autocomplete is lightning fast and surprisingly accurate. Windsurf, however, goes a step further. It not only completes code, but also understands entire project structure. It remembers previous conversations, lets you chat with your whole code base, and can even reason through architecture changes. It's less about completing lines and more about thinking with you. For pure AI intelligence, Windsurf wins, but Cursor is more responsive in short bursts. Collaboration and team use. Now, Cursor supports GitHub integration and file sharing, good enough for solo devs or small teams. But Windsurf is built for collaboration. It includes AI paired sessions, shared prompts, and team memory. That means your whole team benefits from the AI's context, not just individuals. If you are working solo, Cursor feels slick and focused. But for teams and startups building fast, Windsurf brings more value. Pricing, performance, and ecosystem. Cursor has a freemium model with pro features starting at $20 per month. It's lightweight, fast, and runs locally. Windsurf is also freemium, but some advanced team features are locked behind higher tiers, around $25 to $30 per month per user. Since it's cloud native, you will need an internet connection, but the upside is smoother deployment and debugging features built in. As for ecosystem, Cursor's strength is compatibility with the massive VS Code extension library. Windsurf's ecosystem is smaller, but growing fast with its own purpose-built plugins. Final verdict. So which one is best in 2025? Choose Cursor if you want a fast VS Code based AI upgrade for solo or freelance development. Choose Windsurf if you want next-gen AI collaboration, smarter project awareness, and you are building with a team. Both are amazing, but the right one depends on your workflow. Now, if this helped, please drop a like and subscribe for more DevTools breakdowns. Got a favorite, Cursor or Windsurf? Let me know down below in the comments, and for now, see you in a new video.